What's up guys, this is the second video in this series in which I'm going to be teaching you how to code a good Discord bot. Today I'll be teaching you how to do a role creating function. This is relatively simple, and if I get to it then I'll make a onMemberJoin function that will send a message to his channel when a member joins the guild. If you remember from the last video, we had this if part0 equals hello, and what that did was if we typed exclamation hello, then it replies hello. So that's all that does. Today we'll be getting on to something slightly more complicated. So first we are going to start off with if part0 is equal to dash role create, and that's going to be the starting point for what we're going to do. And then in here we're going to have lots of different things that we need to do to create a role. We will do this in a couple of simple steps. It's relatively simple. So first what we're going to do is we're going to create a variable, and then we're going to create that variable to set up as a role, and then we're just going to add the role to the guild. So this will allow you to create a role, call it whatever you like, have whatever permissions you like, and yeah, just create a role, simply. Now we're going to set up the name of the bot. This has to be a one word role name. You could put it to if you had a different indicator, but even still that could be exploited and messed up. So for this sake we're just going to do parts1 equal to role, not equal to, role name. And then we are, oh no, wrong way around. So I'm actually going to take this and I'm going to put it over there. Role name equals parts1. Okay, we are going to use role name, and what we're going to do is, so now what we do if we did await guild dot create role. Oh, first we need to assign guild. So we're gonna do guild, oh, I can't type today, equals message dot guild. Okay, so that's basically just gonna find where the message is sent and have it like that, and this will basically create the role. And then if we do name equals role name, then if we did dash role create and then the next thing, it will create a role with the role name of the second thing. That's simple. Now we need to set up some permissions for the bot. So what you're going to do is you're going to do permissions equals discord dot permissions, and then there's ways you can do this. So you can set up loads of variables. So you could do like speak will just like be equal to send messages true and speak true or something like that. But for now we're just going to have everyone's normal permissions that you have. So I'm just going to take something from another window that I have open, and there we go. And I'm just going to paste it in, so that needs to be true. Okay. So what this does is this basically allows people to send messages, and that allows them to read messages, and that allows them to connect to a voice channel, and that allows them to speak in the voice channel, that allows them to invite people to the server, that allows people to stream, which is basically sharing their screen. That is basically allowing people to use voice activation, otherwise they have to use push to talk, which sucks. And then view channel is basically reading the other messages. Now we're going to set up a color, so we're going to do color is equal to parts2, just like that. So I did some testing and I found out that you can't just have the variable just by itself. You need to have int, and then in brackets, the variable, and comma, and then 0 for the hex code. So, for instance, 0xFF0000 is red. So now let's just do a channel send that'll just say the role name and the color, hex code color. So await message.channel.send the role. Oh, need to make an F string. So that's basically where you can insert things in curly brackets. Let's do role name was made with the color hex code, and then color. So yeah. Now if we want to say who made the role, you can just do by, and then you can do message.author.name or .mention. If you wanted to mention them, which is basically where they get a special ping, if you didn't know, then you would just change that to mention, but I'm just going to do it like name, and then I'm going to rerun it, go to Discord, and I'm going to do -role create, and I'm going to call it test role, and then 0xFF0000, and it says the role test role was made with the hex code by me. And then if we look in roles, so server settings, roles, then here it is, test role. I've made some other because I was testing and everything was failing, so yeah. So that works like that, and that was pretty good. That worked basically as I expected it to that time, finally. So that's good. So that creates a role, sets a color, and just displays who made it, what the role name is, and the hex code color. Now let's do the member join thing. Okay, so now we're going to have to go back onto the main line thing, and then we'll do @client.event, and then just remove the brackets, async def on member join, and then we're going to pass in member, not member. And so now what we're going to do is we're going to do guild equals member dot guild. So that will just say what the guild is, and now we are going to do so we're going to send a message to anyone who joins the server in their DMs. So how we're going to do that is we're going to do await member.send, let's say welcome to, and then we'll just put this in bold, which is just 4 asterisks, f string, guild.name, enjoy your stay, like that. So, okay. So I'm here on my alt, and I've just invited myself to the server, and now I join the server. I've tested this once or twice, and the bot sends me a welcome to bot tutorial, enjoy your stay. Perfect, that's exactly what I wanted. So we can see that there's no errors in my code, apart from the fact that it says a kind of an error, but not really. You might need a try thing, which is basically where if something fails in it, it doesn't give you an error message and block everything up, it just like prints something or something. So it just yeah. So someone joins, and then it says welcome to the name of the guild, and that says enjoy your stay. You could also do like So you could do member count with this or something, and like, yeah, it would be cool. However, I'll probably get to that in a later video, and that's pretty simple. So thanks for watching this video. Leave a comment down in the comment section below if you've had any problems with this. Thanks for watching, and yeah, bye.